Today breaking news: Pennsylvania chocolate factory explosion kills 7 after 2 more bodies found. Pennsylvania government Josh Shapiro announced additional resources would be made available aimed ongoing rescue effort. More bodies have been found as emergency crew continue to survey the site of the RM chocolate factory in Berks County, Pennsylvania, bringing the number of fatalities from Friday evening explosion to 7. West Reading Mayor Samantha Craig released a statement Sunday that said 2 more bodies were located and that all victims have been discovered. Authorities are withholding their names at this time, she said. For the latest breaking news, please subscribe channel. Thank you for watching video.